Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel at NDN Nigeria. Click on the subscribe button and be the first to get notifications. Niger Delta Development Commission, NDDC, making a difference.
Development, transformation, Niger Delta, my Niger Delta.
The Treasury Single Account, the TSA, in terms of its practicability, you can see that it's not suitable for some organizations. The NDDC is one of such, because why? The NDDC is a special purpose vehicle. It is to drive accelerated development. So ECOPs of such nature should actually be eliminated from the structure. The leadership as it, right, with this type of structure will not be able to do anything. You can make Engineer Gabriel to be the chairman of NDDC in this present state. He will not achieve anything, because the structure is poses a major limitation. Now the TSA, by implication, prohibits the NDDC in getting some bank facilities. They cannot open certain accounts. They cannot do business with banks, and banks can only grant mega facilities when you are into businesses with them, and that alone is a serious setback. If it's about accountability, I think the National Assembly is currently, by law, having oversight functions, and if that is not enough, then I think the presidency itself can set up a small committee, monitoring committee, to ensure that monies allocated or budgeted allocated to the NCs are spent wisely and for the projects for which that monitoring can be done. Because as we speak, I know that the FCT ministry is exempted from the TSA. So whatever reason the presidency has in the exemption of the FCT, right, I don't think it's as cogent as doing same for the NDDC, which is so special. Such bureaucratic bottlenecks need not apply in certain situations.
Niger Delta Development Commission, NDDC, making a difference. Inside the Niger Delta,